switch on, put hitch. Fuel pump. Clear prop!
Test. Can you hear me?
Yes?
There we go.
Okay.
Now I can hear you. Avionics on, flaps up, mixture out. Exterior lights, don't need bits. A16. Good. 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 For takeoff, launcher set.
Weather, wind 240 at 14, gusts 18, visibility 1.
Still good. We're still good.
500, scattered temperature.
They just acknowledged our flight plan.
Celsius, 2.16, altimeter 3013. Remarks, density altitude 2,100. Sporty's Claremont County Airports. Automated weather observation 1740 Zulu. Weather, wind 240 at 12, gusts 18, visibility 104,500. Scattered temperature 26 Celsius, 2.16, altimeter 3012. Remarks, density altitude 2,100.
Good. Squeak, 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 squeak. Students are a little rough on the brakes here.
Yeah.
Not that I'm saying anything bad about them. I was a student. I put a few bald spots in tires.
My traffic, Twin Cessna 120 Hotel Alpha is on the 5-mile final runway 22 lower approach, Claremont County.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 5315, Echo, mic check.
Loud and clear.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 5315, Echo, com 2, mic check.
Loud and clear.
Alright, electrical trim, so left, right, up, down, left, right. Alright, those are all good. Fuel quantity is good. Mixture to rich, up to 1800. Magneto check is good. Engine, fuel flow is good, oil pressure is good, temps coming up, amps are positive. Back down to idle. Good. Pull this out. Flaps up, flight instruments are set. Departure briefing. So takeoff runway 22. If there's an emergency, if I have an issue, on takeoff roll, I will apply full brakes, pull engine idle, and we'll get off the runway or get out of the plane as needed. If it's just after takeoff and we have an issue, I'm going to find a field just south of here, and we're going to pray to God and land in it. If we get up to pattern altitude, I'll do a 180 and we'll come back and land. Right now the wind is kind of variable, so I'll just do a standard pattern turn to the right. And then come back and land on the opposite direction.
Southwest 3156 to maintain 5,000.
Cincinnati clearance delivery, Skyhawk 5315 Echo.
From 5315 Echo, Cincinnati clearance delivery. You're clear to Golf Kilo Tango Airport as filed. On departure, maintain 3,000. Expect 9,010 minutes after. Departure frequency 121.0. Squawk 3771. Stand by for reback and hold for release.
Cleared to Pigeon 4 jabs filed. After takeoff, maintain 3,000. We'll expect 9,000 within 10 minutes. Frequency 121.0 and transmit 3771.
715 Echo, departure frequency 121.0, squawk 3771. Rush 3 back correct.
121.0, 3771, 5315 Echo.
2776, turn left heading 270. And number 15 Echo, hold for release, advisory number 1 for departure with departure runway.
5315 Echo, departing runway 22. We're first in line, ready to depart.
0 Hotel Alpha, roger. I do have one aircraft IFR on the final, so call me back in about 5 minutes.
Copy, I have that IFR traffic on final right now, 1515 Echo. And now we wait. Again.
I guess he's landing, right?
He's doing low pass only.
Southwest 3156, turn left heading 090 vector for your descent. Reduce speed to 180.
He said call back in 5 minutes, so I gotta wait. fine.
2776, roger, turn left heading 220, quick visual approach, 118 left, maintain 180 knots, operated at 5 mile final.
So 150 is when I gotta call him.
Air shuttle 6059, turn left heading 270. Frontier flight 1713, just to maintain 5,000. Air shuttle 6059, just to maintain 3,000.
Clear Sky traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, holding short, runway 22, pending takeoff clearance from clearance delivery, FYI.
56, just to maintain 5,000. Slow down first. That's 2776, contact tower, 118.3. That's 5347, reduce speed to 180. Frontier flight 1713, reduce speed to 180. Southwest 3156, turn right heading 210, cushion 160, into the running 18 center, localizer. Number 924 leaving Papa, Cincinnati approach, Cincinnati altimeter 3011.
That's one of our planes. You can hear everything okay?
Yeah.
Shuttle 6059, turn left heading 210, into the running 18 left, localizer, report to field in sight. Air shuttle 6059, quick visual approach, runway 18 left. Southwest 3156, airport 12 o'clock and 15 miles.
Got 2 more minutes for us to check in.
Southwest 3156 is to maintain 3,000.
I've never been put on hold
Southwest
to
3156
take off.
Juba maintain 3,000 to the fasten localizer clear dialer for 18 left approach. Southwest 3156 the beam Juba maintain 3,000 to the fasten localizer clear dialer for 18 center approach.
I got something in my throat.
This is 500 Cincinnati approach, altimeter 3011.
Literally.
Check visual 2 more left end, Lunkin Airport.
Got like,
to choke to death when we take off.
got like a piece of grass or something in my throat.
Ooh.
That's 1405 heavy Cincinnati approach, altimeter 3011. Descend via expect maintain 12,000.
Wait for this.
Frontier flight 1713, turn left heading 270.
As soon as it says 50, I'm checking in. Getting us out of here.
Shuttle 6059, contact tower 118.3. 5347, just to maintain 4,000.
He is busy right now.
This is 500, turn right heading 270 vector for your descent. One 120 Hotel Alpha, ident, Cincinnati altimeter 3011. Southwest 3156, contact tower 118.3.
Cincinnati departure, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, still first in line, ready, check in.
And 120 Hotel Alpha, radar contact 6 miles southeast of Claremont County Airport, turn left heading 360 vector for the RNF22 approach. Frontier flight 1713, turn left heading 220 and set the running 18 left, localizer, report to still in sight. Frontier flight 1713, roger, clear visual approach, running 18 left. 5347, turn right in 090.
He is busy, holy shit.
5315 Echo, you release for departure, clears before not off in 5 minutes. If not off in 5 minutes, advise ATC of attention. Still in the 6 minutes. When you're in control airspace, fly running heading, maintain 3,000. Change to advisory frequency approved.
Change of advisory frequency approved, 5 minutes, and let you know in 6, 5315 Echo.
There's 1405 heavy, just going to maintain 5,000.
Claremont County traffic, Skyhawk 5315 Echo, taking off runway 22, departing to the south. Go ahead, close your window. Got traffic. It's like, I don't know who. That's a bird. Never mind. That's a bird. I saw that other plane packing up. I thought they were going to be like waiting behind us. That's why I called out the advisory. Let them know that I was waiting so they could go on the other side and take off, but they never did.
Huh.
Fuel flow's good. Oil pressure is good. Airspeed's alive.
Claremont County Unicom, Grumman 908 uniform, radio check.
Here.
Claremont County Unicom, Grumman 908 uniform, calm 2 check.
Hear ya.
Thank you.
Probably be a little bumpy down low.
Yeah.
My climb rate's horrible. Getting warm. These warm, humid days just completely kills performance.
Stand 500, clear visual approach, runway 2 more left, contact Lunkin Tower, 18.3.
Clear for the visual 18.3, Vista AM 500.
Vista 500, Vista AM 500, Towers, Lunkin Towers, 118.7.
1870.
There are 5073, descend to maintain 4,000.
4,000, Denver 5073.
Cincinnati approach, Cog 5315 Echo, 2,000 feet, climbing 3,000.
FX 1405 heavy, turn left heading 090 vector for your descent, descend to maintain 5,000.
090, 5000, Apex 1465.
There 5073, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, Denver 5073.
Canadian 807, Cincinnati.
don't think I have anything else.
Departure, Mentor 296 Charlie, 1.6 for 3,000.
This approach 4,000 direct to Hatso.
Contact, altitude your discretion, turn left heading 090. Altitude my discretion, left 090 for 600 Charlie. Cap 4102, you're 4 miles from Busby, turn left heading 260, maintain VFR, cleared ILS 23 right approach. 23 right approach, check it out, 260. Cap 4102.
The thing I'm looking for now is a big star in the sky to indicate the GPS location. Just kidding.
Celsius, dew point 14 Celsius, altimeter 3015 inches of mercury, remarks, density altitude 2700. Gatling Bird, Pigeon Forge Airport. Automated weather observation.
15 Echo, descend to maintain 4,000.
Then maintain 4,000, 15 Echo.
Remarks, density altitude 2700.
Cap 4102, contact tower 1.
Gatling Bird, Pigeon Forge Airport. Automated weather observation 1954 Zulu. Wind 330 at 6 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000.
I didn't hear the wind that time, damn it. It's funny, so the best way to describe turbulence is as if you're on a boat, right? So the air is essentially doing the same thing the ocean does. You have the waves, right?
Yeah.
And the bumps you feel is you literally going through those waves of air, like if you were going through the waves on a boat.
Scout 429er, turn left heading 060.
Left 060, Scout 429er.
Hey, but with a boat, you're not, 4,000 feet in the air.
Fair. Fair.
Gatling Bird, Pigeon Forge Airport. Automated weather observation 1955 Zulu. Wind 300 at 7 knots. Wind very.
300. Oh damn.
Blue Raider 50, turn left heading 080. Scout 15 Echo, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descending 3,000, 5315 Echo.
Mentor 600 Charlie, turn left on course.
Left on course for 600 Charlie. This is the only instrument approach they have, so even though we're going to be landing with a tailwind, but we don't have a choice because we're on instrument flight plan, we're going to do instrument flight rules. This is the only instrument approach they have that we can do. So that's fun.
Scout 15 Echo, cross boat tree at about 3,000, cleared RNAV 10 approach Gatlinburg Airport.
Cleared RNAV 10 approach, cross the tree at 3,000 or higher, 5315 Echo.
estimated kilos current, knox altimeter 3016.
Departure, Legion 3064, 2.6, climbing 6,000.
Legion 3064, departure, radar contact, climb maintain 12,000.
12,000, Legion 3064.
Scout 429er, turn left, heading 040.
Left 040, for commander.
Legion 3064 clear, direct Thrasher on course.
Direct Thrasher, Legion 3064.
Nope.
Legion 3064, contact Atlanta Center on 133.1.
33-1, Legion 3064.
Scout 15 Echo, you can cancel your IFR in the air on this frequency or on the ground on 132.8.
Copy, we will let you know once we have the airport in sight, 5315 Echo.
Scout 429er, turn left, heading 010.
Left 010, for commander.
Once we turn inbound, I'll probably cancel our IFR, but I want to make sure I see the airport first before I go canceling anything.
Cessna 429, stay at 2,500 or above for now.
2,500 or above, 429er. Departure bearing 118 Lima Alpha, pass 1.8 for 3.0, heading 170.
Bearing 118 Lima Alpha, Knoxville, departure, radar contact, maintain VFR, turn left on course and climb to your requested altitude.
Left on course and climbing, 118 Lima Alpha, thanks.
Knoxville approach, Cog 5315 Echo. We have the airport in sight. Go ahead and cancel our IFR.
Cog 15 Echo, roger. There's traffic in the pattern there at Gatlinburg. Cancellation received. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, Squawk VFR, 5315 Echo.
Here, I got this right.
Knoxville traffic, Cog 5315 Echo. I'm on a 9-mile final for runway 10 on the RNAV 10.
Tacoma traffic, 11215 Mike, jumpers away, use caution 7000 below Tacoma. Elizabeth, traffic comments to helicopters currently 5 miles to the south, east of the field out of 4000, inbound for landing.
Gatlinburg traffic, helicopter 35 Hotel, clear of runway 28 to the taxiway at Gatlinburg. Traffic, southwest 24. London Corbett traffic, 2 field on center final, 24 London Corbett.
Oklahoma traffic, Twin Otter, 121.
Gatlinburg traffic, Cog 5315 Echo. Just want to confirm, is there any other active traffic in the pattern?
Negative, helicopter 35 Hotel is clear to the taxiway at Gatlinburg.
Roger, 5315 Echo. Gatlinburg traffic, 5315 Echo is on a 5-mile final for runway 10, RNAV 10.
Hey, Gatlinburg traffic, helicopter 840 Charlie Sierra is about 2 miles southwest of the field at 2000. I will be going northbound and crossing the approach end of 10. The airplane inbound, what's your ETA?
I'm at 2,200 feet, descending 3 miles out, ETA about a minute and a half to landing.
Roger that, sir. I should be able to be out of your way by then. I'm crossing the approach end of 10 currently.
Copy. I will keep an eye out for you, 5315 Echo.
I'm also descending, so shouldn't be a factor. And I've got you in sight. Airplane, I'm going to just drop it down low and go underneath you here, no factor.
Copy, 5315 Echo, short final, 1.5 miles, runway 10, Gatlinburg traffic. I don't even see him. I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't see him either.
Gatlinburg, traffic, stock 5315 Echoes, rolling clear of 10 at Charlie.
How was that?
15 Echo at Gatlinburg. The FBO's on the far west end of the field. How can we help you today?
I'm going to be parking just for a little bit. I'm going to go out and enjoy some Gatlinburg, and then we can just go from there. You said the far west end of the field, correct?
Open tight on spot. I'll come out and pick you up.
Copy. So park on the west end of the field. Where should I park? Just right here?
No, sir. The far west end of the field.
Copy. Far west end of the field. 5315 Echo.
Double check my. All right.
And that landing wasn't too bad.
Good. Wasn't too bad. Ending, meaning it could have been better.
I mean, it could have been, but, you know.
I did float for a really long time, but that's because I came in high, really high intentionally. That's why you saw me kind of like point the nose down there towards the end, because of the helicopter traffic that was calling out and everything. I couldn't see them. I wanted to stay high because they could. She said she was flying under me, and then additionally, like there's a bunch of hills, so I was definitely high when I came in.
Yeah.
But that was intentional. This time.
I mean, you had plenty of runway though, so.
Right, which is another reason why I wasn't too worried about coming in high. So knowing that the wind is blowing that way, or like this way, supposedly, when we go to leave, we'll take off that direction. That's actually, I would prefer to take off that direction because I'm going away from the mountains.
Oh, yeah.
Good. The Tennessee Aviation Museum is here.
Oh, yeah, I saw that on Google Maps yesterday. I was looking at.
I think that sounds interesting, but I'm also an aviation nerd. We can do whatever. I also have no idea what time they open and close.
Yes.
I think he's seen better days. He looks like he's been through a few wars.
Yeah.
Is there, FBO, is there any particular place you want me to park?
No, sir, just any of those open tie-down spots directly in front of you.
Good copy, 5315 Echo.
Oh, I forgot to bring tie-down rope. Fuck. Well, they have chain. Cool. Of course, the chain. Pretty close. Alright, that's fine. Oh, I can taxi or push it around if needed. Securing brakes, avionics off.
Throttle under 1,000. Good.